Hi, team. Welcome to another Delta Math walkthrough. And thank you for showing up for your learning, of course. In the lesson video, I showed you how to use the formula, and I write my formula as the one you see on the left of my screen over here, where R over C is the same thing as Delta Math's I, and C over T here C times T is the same thing as Delta Math's N. I is the interest rate per period, and N is the number of periods. Okay. And in the lesson video, I showed you how to use that formula step by step and do the BEDMAS and calculate it on your calculator with a piece of paper. But here I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to get your answers faster. All right, first step is to copy out your formula. So I'm just going to change my formula a little bit to match Desmos's. They are the same formula, sorry, Delta Maths. They're the same formula. It's just instead of doing a division to find I, you're going to do that outside. The regular deposit, they call it D, whatever. Mine, I call it R, big R. So we're going to keep big R because who cares? And then instead of CT, we'll do N for the number of compounding periods, N, there. And then let's add sliders for those. And then let's put in our stuff. So we know the interest rate is 0.375%. So it's less than a percent, less than 1%. So for I here, for interest rate, I'm going to put that in, but I have to remember to convert it to a decimal. It's not 37% interest, it's 0.37. It's about 0.4% interest. Okay. The regular deposit R is going to be 500. That's from here. Okay, and then she's going to do this for 9 months. Because I is the interest rate per month, I can just use 9 for N, and that will work just fine. And so here we go. 9 is N. And then if I come up here, it just outputs for me. Then we always want to do our does that sound reasonable check. Okay, so let's do our does that sound reasonable check. $500 she's investing every month for 9 months at a very small interest rate. We have $4,500 and a little bit. That little bit comes from the interest. So this number is totally reasonable. We want the answer to the nearest dollar, so it's 4568. Yay! Let's do another. Okay, so this is compounded annually. We're going to do this for 14 years. We're still going to use I. So I is 3.6%. So that will go in here through 3.6 there. Our annual deposit is 750. So we're just going to add a 7 there. And we're going to do this for 14 years. We will have 133,000. We want it to the nearest dollar. That's 113,485. Sorry, 133,485. Hooray! Okay, so Desmos can answer these very quickly and get you some good answers. All right, if you have questions about using that method, go ahead and email me. Otherwise, thank you for showing up for your learning.